The one, the only, the notorious Conor McGregor. Conor is the most notorious, powerful, and famous UFC champion of all time. The most famous, most used, most powerful DAX of all time is calculate function. Let's discuss. Let's first understand syntax of calculate, where it is calculate and it process and taking an expression here, and then it can you can add a number of filters here. And now we go to Power BI. Here I have a table where I have country from the table, and I have the total measure. And from measure 1 to 4, all these four are created with help of calculate. And let's just see, this is country table, country column, and this is total revenue. Let me show you. This is a sample sum of sales amount, and let's talk about measure 1. What I'm doing here, as you can see, this is created with help of calculate, where I do not added any filters here. It is not necessary that you should add filters arguments in the calculate. It's not necessary, as you can see. And the number coming as same. These two measures values are absolutely same and no change in there. Let's go to measure 2, where I had put a filter argument here. What I did, I put a filter here, country as India. So for measure 2, what is giving? It is giving same value for all the country names. Why does it do? Because here Power BI is calculate is most powerful text in the Power BI. So it is superpower, and what it tells is it overpowers the natural filter context. What does it mean? Is here the country name is coming for true filter context. But what calculate tells the system is, hey, even though it is Argentina, take India as an argument here. Then it calculates the subsequent value for its total revenue and gives it. When if it is in India, the value is this. So it will supersede all the country names and making them as India, and it gives the same value for all the columns for whichever the country you give it. And let's go to measure 3. What I did is I put a filter all in the filter context, filter expression. What it does is it filters all countries as single one. So, but if you could observe here, the number here and the total number is not matching. Why does it? Because my fact table has more country names and than the countries available in the what is dim country table. So that's why you see inflated numbers, because there are other tables as well, other country names and their values as well. That's why the number is inflated here. And if you want exact matching of this filter context, you have to select all selected in the filter. If you take all selected, it will take only the selected value in the filter context, and then it gives the value. Yeah. This is how you can play with Calculate. I know it is confusing, but it will make sense once you start using it. Thank you so much.